Hey friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Temu on your Android phone. So you want to open up your Play Store, guys, and here you will maybe see that it's shown under your suggested apps, and you will find Temu there. Anyhow, you don't see this though, guys. You can simply use the search and you can simply type in Temu, right? You'll be able to find the app there. So once you search, you should find Temu. You can simply tap on install and you can easily install that Temu application on your phone. So once it is finished installing, guys, you'll have that application on your phone, and I'm going to show you in a moment once it is finished install. And there you have it, it's finished installed. So let's go ahead and open up that app. Once you open it, you just need to accept all the terms there. And yeah, you can go ahead and you can allow notification. If you have a notification appear, you can allow it, or you don't have to. But once you do, you'll be able to start using the Temu. Keep in mind that you want to ensure that you log into your profile. So if you look towards the lower right hand side, you will see sign in. So just tap on that and you can sign in with your Google account, Facebook, or you can continue with phone number or an email address. I'm going to choose Gmail for right now. So I'm going to tap on Gmail and I'm going to simply select an email address from here. And once this is done, it signs me into my account, and that's all there is to it. You can start, go ahead and searching for what you want on Temu. Now you can always see your profile on the lower right hand side as well. You can click on that, and here you'll find things such as reviews, your orders, your history, your address, and so much more. So that's it, guys. That's how to install Temu on your Android phone. Very easy and very simple, guys.